Alright guys, so I see a lot of you are interested in proofreading jobs because the previous proofreading job video I posted did very well. And so if you want to launch a freelance career doing proofreading and you don't know where to get started, I'm going to share with you how and where to get started. And you guys know I'll always give you every information you need to get started. Now, usually proofreaders are people that have degree or some sort of skill when it comes to journalism and writing, but you don't need to have those skills to get started. And being a freelancer, I'm going to show you places that can allow you to set your own price, choose the client you want to work whenever and wherever you want, and most times you can get clients from all over the world regardless of where you're located right now. So if this is what you want to do, you have to first get yourself equipped with the skill that is needed. Now, previously in that video I shared a website that can train you, but unfortunately after posting that video I discovered that website will actually request for money at some point in doing the course. So I found one on Allison that will take you 3 to 4 hours to finish. Now you can take up this course to equip yourself, know the fundamentals of proofreading, because honestly it does not really require much. It's just your ability to read, spot errors and make necessary corrections. So if you're done with that course on Allison, you can go ahead on these places and launch your career as a freelance proofreader, get clients from all over the world, set your price, work whenever and wherever you want to work. So the first place is ProBloggers. Now I know a lot of you might have heard about this website and they're usually interested in writing, but they do have proofreading jobs for people. Now the good thing about this platform is they will not charge you to get a job, because they charge people to post their jobs there. Like they charge people that are in need of job, like to make their adverts on this job board. So you can go and register with them as a freelancer, and on that place you can get to set the price you're going to charge, because they allow you to negotiate with your clients, and you can find cheap gigs like on the place, especially if you're a beginner. And there are so many businesses that are looking for people to work with them on that platform. So you might want to check it out, create an account with them and start looking for your clients on that platform. Now the second one, it's Fiverr. Fiverr is popular and it's super beginner friendly. You can list your job on Fiverr and then you can get clients, but you have to promote yourself a little on your social media platforms to get people to get to know you and your service, and then you can start making money. You can start negotiating around $5 to $20 on Fiverr, and if you're a pro at proofreading, you can charge up to like $100 for the jobs you can do. And Fiverr allows you to share your packages in different categories. Like you can offer premium package on Fiverr, that way you earn more money. But you have to know that Fiverr takes up to like 10 to 20% of any amount you make on Fiverr. So that is the downside about Fiverr, so you might want to check it out as well. Now the next platform is Redsea. Now the good thing about this platform is so professional that you're sure you're going to get a job, but you have to be very good at what you do to be able to get a job. You can earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 proofreading jobs on this platform, and you can decide to work on any clients you want to work with. But just like Fiverr, it's going to take 10% of any amount you make on this platform. And Redsea is very much interested in your skill on what you can actually offer to these clients. It is a professional place for people that are looking for professionals to work on their job. So you have to equip yourself with the skill you need to be able to create accounts as a freelancer and start getting jobs from clients. Now another good thing about Redsea is that you can build long-term career on Redsea, and you can find high-paying gigs like I mentioned earlier. So if you're interested, you might want to check it out. I'm going to leave the link to all these websites in the comment section, so if you find them, make sure you let me know in the comment section. So moving on, the next one is Upwork. Just like Fiverr, Upwork is another place, but the problem with Upwork is it's quite competitive. Like if you're a total beginner, I would not really advise you to register with Upwork and start working, because there are lots of competitions and there are people that are way more skilled than a total beginner. Except you believe so much in your skill and you feel it's something you can do, you can compete, then you can register as a freelancer on Upwork. Now on Upwork, you are going to bid for the job. That is another downside about Upwork. But if you're lucky to find a job, you can get lucky to find one that will pay you up to like $2,000 or more to do proofreading jobs on this platform. And Upwork is globally available, so if you're interested, you might want to sign up with Upwork. So before I continue to the next one, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to our channel. I want to thank all of you that have been supporting us by liking, subscribing, by commenting your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all for your support. So the last website we're going to talk about today is Freelancer. Freelancer is another platform where freelancers can come and register their businesses and start getting clients to work with them. So this one have similarities to Upwork and Fiverr because they have lots of clients, but like Upwork, you will have to race for the job on this platform. And another thing, you have to verify the job you're going to be accepting to avoid getting scammed on this platform. Like you can finish doing the job and you will not receive your pay. Another thing is that this platform bids for your charges and then they take 10% of any amounts that you make on the platform. You can make anywhere around $15 to $50 per hour as a beginner, and you can expect to see works like blog posts and articles to proofread on this platform. So if it's something you're interested in, you might want to check out Freelancer and create an account with them as a freelancer and start working. Hopefully it works for you. Now if you want to check out other proofreading jobs like I shared in the previous video, to check out this video, please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. We thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.